Welcome back to Signature Series Rigs. Today has been a lot of wet sanding and buffing, so I am beat. But the day's not over. Now, I've got my laser lined up. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but I got it lined up right down through here, the top of this light, and right about the top of where that molding goes back here. So, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the pieces. I got the one long roll that we can cut it to fit, because that way I found that the ones that are already pre-cut, they're a little bit short on some of the pieces. So we're gonna wipe it down, start to cut, and hope for the best. Here we go. This Ronin multi-cut 4-inch cutter is a lifesaver. It's perfect for these trim moldings. It's wide, got a good bite. Now I can tell that somebody has used this on something they weren't supposed to. Wasn't me, but I see the blade doesn't look as good as it did before. That's why I don't like people borrowing my tools. I consider that a job well done. Everything looks like it lined up nice and straight. Very thankful for that laser. And I'm calling it a day. And thanks for watching Signature Series Rigs. Alright, y'all can't see it too good on the camera, but I've got the laser lined up on this side now, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Put the molding on the passenger side. Here we go. Wipe it down here with this little isopropyl alcohol pad they gave us. Now it is important to note that there is a slight difference from the top, I say top to bottom, from each end. One has a slight softer curve, so I want to make sure I'm following that from the other side, which I use the softer curve on the top. I'm going to double check, of course.